Wow! An egg-shaped design watch that allows you to customize a style that resonates with every moment of life. Or what about a very useful car gadget? Well, stick around because we have some very interesting picks for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below, and make sure you subscribe. Belkin WeMo HomeKit Bridge. Connect your smart home even more with the Belkin WeMo HomeKit Bridge. This nifty device acts as an actual bridge between your WeMo setup and Apple devices. With the WeMo Bridge, your home is more accessible than ever before. A simple command starting with Siri can unlock thousands of possibilities. You can totally activate your WeMo systems or simply dim the lights. The power is in your hands, or at least your voice. These two smart home platforms cover the majority of smart homes. With this combination of functionality, you can control your entire home from the comfort of your couch. The WeMo Bridge easily connects to your home's Wi-Fi network and then to the WeMo plugs and switches. From there, it's all up to you. Ricoh R Development Kit. Thanks to the Ricoh R Development Kit, you will finally have a spherical camera for 24-hour live streaming. This camera outputs spherical Full HD videos at 30 FPS. Additionally, it undergoes real-time stitching in the camera of the two fisheye lens videos. You can also record the spherical video on a micro SD card. Moreover, the built-in Monaural microphone will make recording easy and hassle-free. You can control the video settings via USB. This 360-degree camera makes recording videos more convenient and enjoyable at the same time. It also gives you a complete picture of the place in 360 degrees and makes the whole capture more compact and crisp. The camera and technology will sell as the Ricoh R Development Kit from spring 2017. Uniq Creation Transforma Ligne iPhone Case. Use your smart device hands-free with the Uniq Creation Transforma Ligne iPhone Case. Complete with an integrated stand, this case both protects your phone and increases its functionality. Thanks to its clever design, you can fold the back flap on the case to keep it upright while watching videos, movies, and more. The stand also works in both landscape and portrait orientation. When you don't need to use the stand, simply return it to its flat position for comfortable carrying. The Transforma Ligne is compatible with the iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, and 8 Plus. It also comes in 3 colors, including black, beige, and crimson. Just keep the Transforma Ligne iPhone case on your device at all times for the ultimate hands-free experience. Withings BPM Core Heart Health Device. Stay on top of your health without going to the doctor with the Withings BPM Core Heart Health Device. This smart health system combines 3 necessary devices into one for a truly comprehensive look at your heart. The BPM Core serves as a blood pressure device that you can use to keep track of whenever you need it. In addition, it offers the tools of an ECG, something many wearables are beginning to incorporate. Finally, the BPM Core includes a digital stethoscope for an even deeper understanding. Incredibly, the device can detect all 3 functions in only 90 seconds. Coming in one single device, the BPM Core gives the user the power to maintain their heart health on their own. Withings Pulse Activity Tracker. Sticking to a fitness program is tough, but keeping track of your stats is easy with the Withings Pulse Activity Tracker. Easily stashing in your pocket, this small yet mighty tracker records all of your steps, elevation, distance, and calories burned throughout the day. Additionally, the Pulse Activity Tracker provides an instant heart rate measurement and can record the quality of your sleep to ensure you're rested for the day ahead. With incredible technology, this tracker immediately recognizes when you begin an activity such as running and will start tracking accordingly. Compatible with iOS and Android, the Pulse Activity Tracker comes in all black and uses Bluetooth to communicate with the app on your smartphone or tablet. VAVA Portable SSD Touch Secure External Storage. Designed with 2 types of encryption, the VAVA Portable SSD Touch Secure External Storage is seriously safe. In fact, this external SSD boasts both fingerprint and AES 256-bit encryption. It can even recognize up to 10 different fingerprints, available in 500GB, 1TB, and 2TB capacities. The portable SSD Touch has a storage solution for your needs. What's more, this gadget offers seriously fast reading speeds of 540 megabits per second and writing speeds of 480 megabits per second, and it boasts multi-device compatibility. Furthermore, with a shock-resistant and sleek design that can handle 4-foot drops, it has USB 3.1 Gen 2 connectivity for convenience. This secure external storage device keeps your data secure and unbreachable wherever you go, so it's always safely nearby. You can even use your fingerprint if you want an extra layer of biometric security on top of your password. TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb Warm Amber Light. Create a comforting atmosphere in your home with the TP-Link Kasa Smart Bulb Warm Amber Light. The 40-watt and 400-lumen warm amber bulb may use modern technology, but it sure produces a vintage feel. The gorgeous bulb emits an amber-brown glow. Moreover, because it's a dimmable bulb, it allows you to brighten up your space or set it really low for a romantic ambience. Additionally, it's really easy to manage this TP-Link light. That's due to the fact that it connects to a smartphone app on iOS and Android devices. Not only can you control it from your phone, but you can also manage these bulbs with your voice. That's right, all you have to do is ask Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and they'll do your bidding. Mophie Pro USB-A to Lightning Cable. Get a strong connection for your device when you use the Mophie Pro USB-A to Lightning cable. Featuring high-performance materials, this cable goes the extra mile to let you sync, charge, and repeat. Coming in all black, the Pro cable uses heavy-duty and high-quality wire. With the connection to your Apple device, it delivers a super fast charge with a seamless power flow. In addition, it syncs at lightning speed. Surrounding these high-tech wires is a durable, braided nylon exterior. Although smooth to the touch, the cable is tough enough to come with a lifetime warranty. Additionally, the core features DuPont Kevlar. This allows the cable to be flexible yet strong for use after use, bend after bend. Perfect for any Apple device owner, the Pro cable works with iPad, iPod, and iPhone devices. Schatzii Air Ionic Car Air Purifier and Dual USB Car Charger. The Schatzii Air Ionic Car Purifier and Car Charger with 2 USB ports quickly cleans the air in your car and removes smoke, odors, toxic fumes, dust, pollen, and pet dander using its powerful built-in negative ion generator. The Air is also a handy car charger with 2 USB ports for fast charging of your mobile phone and tablet. Expertly designed with a superior contact point for plugging the air into your vehicle's cigarette lighter or other 12-volt socket. VogDUO Genuine Handmade Leather. The VogDUO Genuine Handmade Leather collection includes 2 gorgeous new accessories, an iPhone 12 stand and an AirPods Pro case. With these by your side, you'll never again search through your bag or room in a rush. Avoiding PVC, ABS, and metal, VogDUO prioritizes high-quality materials and works with Italian leather producers who practice a vegetable tanning process. Blending your high-tech accessories with gentle leather, they redefine gadget accessories. The iPhone 12 stand keeps your hands free while you video conference and is just 0.1 inch thick, and takes only 2 steps to prop up your phone at a comfortable angle. It's also foldable and lightweight for portability. Furthermore, the AirPods Pro case envelops your earbuds in a luxurious blanket. Coming in black, tan, red, and emerald, this case offers a color for everyone. Segway Ninebot Mecha Kit Turret transforms Ninebot scooters. Transform your self-balancing scooter into a fun game with the Segway Ninebot Mecha Kit Turret. Compatible with the Ninebot S, Ninebot S Kids, and Ninebot S Pro, it features joysticks for you to aim wallet bullets at opponents for a fun driving shooting game. In fact, the joystick has a sensor which can activate the vehicle once you grip the sensing area. Sit comfortably on the chair without the need to stand and reach a maximum speed of 8.7 mph, with 3 speed modes available. Moreover, the Segway Ninebot Mecha Kit includes a built-in sound system to vocally assist new players in getting started. All the while, the RGB ambient lights lets you personalize your riding experience. Cansonic Dashcam Pasadena. Whenever you're driving out on the road, there's always a chance you could get into a car accident. It could be anything from a rear-end collision caused by a distracted driver to a scratch or hit from a driver hurrying to back out of a parking lot. And with so many factors, it can be difficult to place an insurance claim or provide footage that can be used in court when an accident happens. Donha Egg. Modern life also gets in the way of sleep, and many people suffer from insomnia or high-pressure life, which is referred to as suboptimal health. People with poor resilience are often characterized by overreaction, easily irritated by everyday sounds, and seeking a peaceful place as a way to handle stress and pressure. This watch shows you the time without a sense of rush, silently taking your mind off the crowd around you.